Hold the pen between your first finger, middle finger, and thumb. Extend your middle finger slightly and pull back on the pen. This move is called the flip stick. Keep practicing the flip stick until it's fast. Now simply perform the flip stick under the cover of your other hand, and the pen will appear to vanish. To reduce the pen, use your thumb to push the pen out and down. Again, cover this move with your other hand to create a visual reappearance. To vanish the pen a second time, perform another flip stick, and then pull the pen out from your other hand. This trick is all about speed. The faster you are, the more deceptive it will be. Take a pen and a stick. I'm using a chopstick, but you can use a ruler or another pen. Place the stick in your sleeve as shown, and when you place the pen under the stick, it will create the illusion that the pen is hovering under your hand. Simply place your thumbs on the end of the pen as shown and wiggle them about. The pen will look like it's floating.